So, guys, any of you that have had a lovely yellow sticker slapped on your car because you've parked on double yellows or you've parked in the wrong place, and we call them fixed penalty notices, the councils have the power to enforce fixed penalty notices of up to £30,000. Now, a parking fine is, I think, up to 50 quid, Ali, not quite £30,000.
Mm-hmm.
And guys, the councils can keep these fines. So this is leading to a more focused prosecution drive from the councils because it's putting money in their pocket. So guys, you need to remember that you are complying, and you need to make sure that you are compliant with every piece of legislation. And guys, what I've covered today is probably 4. There are over 180 pieces of legislation that you need to comply with, some more important than others, some with higher penalties than others, some that can come with actual prison sentences. But I feel the most relevant at the moment that are out there I'm part of many Facebook groups to do with landlords and agents and properties. And I see questions and try and coach and help people all the time. These are the things right now that you need to make sure, I feel, that you are aware of. I wish I had time to cover them all today, but I don't. But these are the things you need to make sure you're aware of. Deregulation Act 2015 affects your ability to serve notice. Deposit Registration 2007 affects your ability to serve notice and also comes with huge penalties. Homes for Fitness and Habitation 2018 basically means the tenants can sue you through court. Landlord and Tenant Act 1985, Section 11, remind yourself of your repairing obligations. Housing and Planning Act of 2016 incorporates the 2 things that we just spoke about. Minimum energy efficiency standards. Every single tenancy should now hold an EPC of an E or above as of 1st of April this year. If you don't, look at where you're sat. And the Immigration Act of 2016, although it's been in force for a long period of time, read up on it. There's been changes that have been made during Corona, gives you a little bit more flexibility on how you operate and how you comply with this. But there are strict guidance that you need to check in on. And these, for me, are the hottest that I want you guys to look at, and maybe some of the stuff that we'll cover in our next webinar. Because although some of these are really old, they are imperative, because if you fail with the top 2, in particular the second one, there's actually no legal route out. And it will depend on the judge on the day if the tenancy goes terribly wrong.